All right, good people. So, welcome back. This week should be a very long week for starters. I'm getting these braces taken off today. So, no more, well, I guess no more wires because I think I'm supposed to get clear retainers, but we'll see when I get out of there. We're prepping to get ready to go down to Miami for the weekend, so there's a lot that goes into that. I have to get Rico ready for where he's gonna go this weekend, and I also have hair appointments. Whoa, so my hair still has not fallen yet, and I'm kind of getting mildly annoyed because the style I wanted to do with my hair, I didn't want to do like a full retwist and the whole wash thing just yet. So, and I quite frankly, I don't have time to see where I could space in doing all that. So I'm gonna have to reconsider how I was doing my hair for this wedding. Kind of sucks, but I'll still give y'all that style later on. It just won't be for that wedding. It'll probably end up being um for something else. But it'll definitely work, and it'll be. I think it's a pretty cool style that was in my head to do. So yeah, that's that. Let me walk up into the dentist office now. It's actually the first time I've ever been early for one of my orthodontic appointments. Usually around clinics these days. So I drink so there's that. But it's okay. They're coming off, so I don't care. Yeah. Hey. I did. Alright, y'all. So there's the clear brace thingy. I feel like gives me a little bit of a lisp, so I'll have to figure out getting comfortable with that. But I did get some goodies, which I'm excited about, but that's definitely not going to be my first meal that I have. I want some popcorn, I want a Snickers, and yeah, so I'm going to go to Target really quickly and get some of that bomb chicken popcorn that I've been dying to have. And then a Snickers. So yeah, but they did give me some goodies. I'm gonna show you guys now. For all the stuff I wasn't supposed to have, fruit snacks, but I ate fruit snacks. Sour Punch, I didn't eat those. Starburst, I craved those throughout this entire time. More fruit snacks. I don't really do blow pops, but my goddaughter does, so I'll just give them to her. But yeah, I thought that was pretty cool. So what I'm gonna do is give my goddaughter the stuff I don't eat. And yeah, I'm gonna get this popcorn, this bomb chicken popcorn, and head back to work. Focus on the rest of my day. How y'all been though? Let me know in the comment section how you've been so far. How was your Monday so far? Let's go with that in case I do decide to separately vlog these. So yeah. So, y'all see I messed up my baby haircut? I botched them. You ready to go? You go pee pee? Go.